Good day. This is the demonstration of collecting bloodstain. First thing to do is to put gloves or PPE so we cannot contaminate the evidence. But do not hold the gloves in the fingers because you can contaminate the evidence. You can wear mask and gloves.
Go.
So this is a swab box. We're gonna put labels so we can identify the evidence. So this is a swab that we can use to collect the blood stain. So let it dry. So this is the blood stain that we collect, but first to put in swab box.
Go.
So after drying the blood stain in the swab, we can put immediately in the swab box so we cannot contaminate the evidence. And we can seal it properly using tape. So it's done. Operation of collecting hair strand. First thing to do is to wear PPE. And second, on the folding technique. First, hold here.
You.
And so this is the hair, and let's collect the evidence using a bond paper. Now let's do a folding technique to preserve the evidence. And second is to seal it using a paper tape. And we need a paper bag to preserve our evidence. So this is a paper bag. The evidence is put here in the paper bag. And the paper bag, flip it into 2 and seal it again to preserve the evidence. And lastly is to put a label for identification, including the case number, date, time, and evidence, her strand, and name, initial, and signature. So the evidence is ready for bringing the evidence custodian. Good day, sir. I will demonstrate how we collect the dry blood stain. First is to wear your PPE, surgical gloves. Second, sir, you need to wear your mask. And this is a swab box, and inside you have two swab. First is you need to put water in the swab, water with salt, so that we can collect the dry blood stain. You need to put water a little bit. Now we collect the blood. This is the blood that I collect. Let it dry first in a minute. After a few minutes, after drying, we just put the swab in a swab box so that we cannot contaminate it, the evidence. And seal it. And that's how we collect the dry blood stain. Thank you. Today, this is the demonstration of collecting the firearms in a crime scene. First thing to do is to wear PPE. Now, let's examine the firearms, if it is loaded or not. So we can see the hammer is up. That's why I know the firearms is not loaded. Now let us put a tag on the firearms. into the magazine. Now, to the photo tab. This tab is excluding the evidence, victim, suspect, date and time, and name of collector, and place. Now we need a paper bag to preserve our evidence. And seal it using a Now we need a box to put our evidence. Now seal the box using the tape to preserve the evidence to avoid contaminating. Make a label in a box for identification, including the name, initial, and signature. Also the date, and time. So that's all.